TK, it is time for us to do math. So our objective is what we are going to learn. I can build 5 in different ways. So today we're moving on to 5. And to begin, we begin on our little practice page here. So this page in your book just kind of shows you, it's a reminder of how to write the numbers so you can trace and then practice. Same thing down here. And just gives you one little free example. So here, we're gonna practice writing our 5s. So I would get out my pencil. I don't have my pencil here, so I'm gonna use a marker. And I'm just going to practice writing my 5s. And then I'm gonna do it myself. So I traced, then I do it myself. And then I'm gonna just look at what they have for their example. So in the packet, they show you that they have 5 Unifix cubes here. And to build their 5, they had 2 yellow and 3 orange. So I'm gonna trace their example, the 2 and the 3. And now it's gonna be time for me to do it myself, to practice my own building of 5. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this page is just kind of a practice page to help you trace your numbers and remind you which number we're working on. And then it's time for you to build yourself. So that's what we're gonna do on the board here. So I'm working on 5, so I'm gonna write that big number up here. And notice here, I put my top corner at the dot here. So I started making my hat to the dot, then from the dot, I go down and around with my backwards C. Okay, now I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places up here for me to show my Unifix cube model. So I'm gonna get out 5 Unifix cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see how we can build these. So I'm gonna put them together. Stacking them up here so I can count them. Let's make sure I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Unifix cubes. And now I want to draw my model on the board, just like I made it. So I'm gonna get out my pink first, because I see pink first. And then I see another pink, and another pink. And then I'm gonna get out my purple because I see some purples at the end. There we go. Now let's see, how many pinks do I have here in my 5? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 pinks. So in this answer box here, for my pinks, I'm gonna write a 3. And how many purples did I have? 2. I have 2 purples. So over here, I'm going to start at my dot and write a 2. So now I know that one way that I could build 5 is by building 3 and 2. So I had 3 pinks and 2 purples to show my 5 Unifix cubes. Let's do one more. Okay, so I have my Unifix cubes again. I picked out 5 Unifix cubes and I'm going to put them together and see what I get this time. All right. Now let's count, make sure I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. So now I need to see how many of each color I have. So how many pinks do I have this time? 4. I have 4 pinks this time. So I'm going to color 4 of my boxes here pink. Now, how many purples do I have? Just 1. Just 1. So I'm going to color 1 box purple. And now I can write my answers in the answer boxes. So over here, I'm going to write a 4 because that's how many pinks I had. And over here, I'm going to write a 1 because that's how many purples I had. So another way that we could build 5 is with 4 and 1. All right, guys, now I want to see what other ways you can build 5, what other different ways you can build 5. So go ahead, do your work, and take a picture of it, and then we're going to be all done with our Build and Write packet, and we'll be on to something new next week. Good job, guys!